Hey guys, we are at Monkey Bay or Monkey Beach on one of the Phi Phi Islands, and we're going to be doing a tour today going to 3 different islands. This is the first one we're starting at, and it's beautiful here. There's like little monkeys walking around. The sand is so soft and the water is super blue.
Water's blue, and so the way that we actually got here is we had to take a speedboat.
Yeah.
So we took a speedboat, we rented the tours, probably like 30-40 people on the boat. We kind of just stepped away so we can kind of get a better shot of just the 2 of us. So here on Monkey Beach, Monkey Bay.
I think he's been saying both, Monkey Beach and Monkey Bay.
All right, so either one. It's one of the Phi Phi Islands, like Brand said. I think it's on like the back of one. We saw a few monkeys. We're gonna try and get the camera up close to one. We took some pictures on our phone, so if not, we'll insert them here. But just got to be careful because the monkeys, they do grab and they'll steal stuff. We've kind of experienced similar stuff when we went to the monkey forest.
Yeah.
So we do have a little bit of experience. You're not supposed to really smile at them, or you're not really supposed to get too close because they will snatch and they're quick, really quick. When we first came on the island, there was 2 monkeys climbing on one guy trying to steal his towel. So just got to be aware when you come here. But yeah, that's it. We're gonna take a tour like Brent said. 3 different islands today. This is the first one, and we'll continue to show you guys around.
Bye.
Later. So we just landed on
We flew into the island.
Yeah. We just got to a little small island right outside of Phuket. I'm not really sure the name of the island. At the end, we'll
trying to remember. We'll put it down below because I can't remember right now.
So, needless to say, we just got here. The island's absolutely beautiful. It's pretty small. literally, you know, I can see the other side of the island from where
right
I'm
here.
standing. So it's
we
a
could
really
probably walk the whole thing.
yeah, we can walk the whole thing in maybe less than 15 minutes. So it's a very small island, but it's like 10 minutes outside of Phuket. There's a bunch of little stands, different things that you can grab to eat and to buy for like drinks and stuff like that here. You can buy like beach chairs and stuff like that. Right now it's around like 3:30 in the afternoon, so it's kind of like the end of the day for the tour. So this is the last stop. So we're gonna come here, we get to chill out on the beach. If you want to snorkel, which we're about to do, you can see there's some of the water behind us. We're gonna go back there and snorkel a little bit.
They say the later it gets into the afternoon, the lower the tide gets, since the full moon was 2 nights ago. The fullness of the moon affects the tide. So since it was just recent, we're gonna have to go out a little bit earlier and try to see what we can now before the water gets too low for us. We're getting ready to pack up and head out. This island is about 10 minutes from Phuket, so it shouldn't take us too long to get back to the main base. We're about to meet back up with our tour group, get on the boat, and then they'll drop us off at home. So that's it for today. Hope you guys have fun.
Yeah, so if you guys like this video,
Like, comment, subscribe.
yes, like, comment, subscribe. If you guys have any questions about the tour, what tour we actually took, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Later. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.
Like, comment, subscribe.
I'll see you guys in the next one.